2006 Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, universal garage door opener, FWD, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.